Hey everyone, I'll dive right into today's fun experiment. Even ChatGPT 5, the most advanced AI model, still has a few funny quirks and bugs. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make ChatGPT go into a loop, just for fun. First, open your browser and head over to chat.openai.com. Sign in to your account. Once you're in, go to the prompt box and type this simple question. Is there seahorse emoji? Now hit enter and watch what happens. ChatGPT starts thinking and keeps thinking and sometimes ends up looping endlessly, trying to figure out what you meant. It's a way to see how even the newest AI models can get confused by weird or unclear prompts. It just shows that no matter how smart AI gets, there's always room for surprises and twists. So if you enjoyed this little experiment, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other fun ChatGPT tests I should try next.